I started using this particular uploading style on my channel and it has really been mind-blowing. I've been able to learn the right way to script my videos, the right way to title my videos, the right way to describe my videos. Guys, look at this on your screen now. Can't you see? Anyway, so in today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to upload your videos like a pro that you are. Yes. Okay, so if you do not know anything about SEO, anything about using keywords, the right tags, the right hashtags, don't worry. Don't worry. With this video, you're going to learn everything. You don't want to miss any part of this particular video. It's really going to help you multiply your views on your channel and even attract more people to your channel. Okay, and of course, if you've not given this video a thumbs up yet, please give it a thumbs up right now because we need this to get to a lot more people. Okay, so and of course, you're welcome to join this beautiful family of growth. All right, without further ado, let's jump into the video. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to be using this particular video. I'm going to be uploading it on my second channel. So let me just go on YouTube. This is C. So what I want to do right now is to come here, tap on plus. Okay, just follow me. Okay. So this is the, oh sorry, I selected short. So video. So tap on video.
If you know that you are among those who always places
on
back.
next. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, remember there's no title here yet, don't worry. Just come here, tap on unlisted, make it unlisted. Okay, so come here. I have a playlist already, so let me add it to my, this one is my talk, so live discussions. So done. Okay, now come to altered content. Remember, if you do not have a playlist, please do well to create that because you can be stopping people from subscribing to your channel without a playlist. So now I have done all of this and I've tapped on upload. Okay, so this is it. It is preparing to upload, so I'm going to allow it to finish uploading and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Okay, so now we have our video uploaded. So you can see it doesn't have a thumbnail, it doesn't have a title yet, it doesn't have any description box yet, but we're going to fix all of that and we do not need to do it ourselves. So we are going to come over to Google Chrome. You can use any browser that you have to achieve this. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and type YouTube audio library. You can see it here because I'm always going here. Okay, so you come here, tap on it again, and then it's going to lead you here. Tap on Chrome. Okay, so it's going to redirect you to your desktop version. So want to just do a little setup there. This is my new channel, so let me just go over to where I have my videos. You can see, okay, so these ones have been scheduled. These are the only ones that have been made public. So this is our video here. I'm now going to tap on it. You see this pencil icon here? I'll tap on it also. Now this is where I'm going to, you can see we do not have anything here yet. Okay, so this is where I'm going to, I'll come over to where I have subtitles, but here it says select the video language before adding subtitles. So I'm going to go ahead and select my video language. Okay, exactly, video language. So I'll just tap on it and go for English. Let's pick English United States. Okay, and then save. Let me just tap on save first. Then let me now go back to where I have exactly, you can see the subtitles is, we already have it highlighted, so just tap on it. Okay, so this is where the whole easy peasy thing comes in. Let me just wait for it to load up. So if you see anything like this, do not get scared, it's going to load up eventually. Okay, while it's loading up, in order to avoid wasting time, let's just go and fix the other settings. So what you want to do is to come over to end screen, tap on your end screen and pick any video that you want. Okay, so this video is about me talking, so I'm just going to pick the video where I actually talked, something related to it. So let's see, choose specific video, and this here I talked about how ladies want drama. Okay, so we have L here because I've not fixed my profile picture yet. I think I should do that today. But then we go ahead and tap on save. So we have our end screen fixed already. Now let's go ahead and oh, sorry, I just refreshed. So let's go ahead and pick our cards. Okay, you can see this line here. Move it first, okay, before you then tap on video. So let me pick my very first video here where I talked about how I used fermented rice water on my face. Now I'm going to move again here, you can see, and then I'll go ahead to plus card, tap on video again, let me pick this one here. So that's it there. Then I'll just tap on save. I picked just 2 cards. Let's go over to where we have show more. Okay, very good. So where we have show more, so just tap on it. My video doesn't contain paid promotion. The altered content, no. Automatic chapters, I usually like to leave this ticked. Then after that, I can decide to go, and if I see that YouTube made mistakes with my automatic chapters, I can then make it manual. But don't worry, I'm going to show you something that you can do that will generate for you very good, like very correct automatic chapters automatically. Yeah, so yeah, I have all of these ones ticked. It's also going to generate for me tags, so I'm not going to stress myself with that. My title and description, title and description language, let's pick English, United States. Okay, recording date, I'm not putting it there. I'm going to allow embedding. I'm going to publish to subscription feed. And then of course my category, my category is under how to and style. Remember, you can always check for the category that works well with your own channel or video. Okay, so I'll go here and then tap on save. You will notice I've not done anything about the thumbnail. That's because I want to show you something. So I've tapped on save. Let's go back and see if our subtitle is ready. So if you have waited and waited and waited, yet this subtitle has not appeared here because it's supposed to appear here, what you can do is to just leave this particular place. Let's tap on X, that's close window. Then you want to go down here, come to show more. Okay, let me zoom in. You come to show more and then go down to where you have video language. So you can see here under language and caption certification, it says to manage other languages, go to subtitles. So just tap on subtitles. Okay, so now that we have this here, you can see here, oh fine, it says ineligible. So let me show you how to get it. Come here, tap on published, just tap on it. So you can see this pencil icon, tap on it. Continue. That's because I already published. So it's going to appear. Can you see? This is everything that you said in the video. My goodness. Okay, so you want to go ahead and copy everything. So you now go over to your Chrome again. Okay, go to your ChatGPT. So what you want to do now is to ask it anything. So you just say, using the script below, right? Using the script below, generate a YouTube description that is SEO optimized, containing searchable keywords. Please follow through with this. Containing searchable keywords and comprehensive. And then you now go down and just follow through and paste that thing that you just copied, and then click on this arrow here so it can work on it. So let me just give you a brief. Now this particular video that I filmed, I talked about how people give hateful comments on social media, and it's really bad or terrible. So that's what the video is about. So you can see here, are you guilty of leaving negative comments on YouTube, Instagram, blah blah blah? So can you see now? You say see now, it will give you a very comprehensive description with hashtags. So what you want to do, go ahead, copy this one, just copy it. Okay, copy, then go back. So this time around, what you want to do is copy, then go to your YouTube Studio, the YouTube Studio app. Okay, and then go to content. This is content here. Now this is the video. I'll just tap on it, right? I'll tap on the video, come here, tap on the pencil icon, and then just paste your description there. Once you paste your description there, tap on save. Please just be saving everything. Okay, so we have saved it. Now let's go back to our ChatGPT and then type generate a very catchy and captivating, I know it might seem like tautology, but just continue, title for this YouTube video using the same scripts. Remember that when you're using ChatGPT, you need to be very intentional with your prompts. Okay, so here it says the hidden dangers of social media comments. Think before you type. You can decide to tell it that give me more titles. Okay, give me more titles. Okay, so I think I'm going to go for this one. Stop leaving hateful comments. Here's why it could backfire on you. So let's tap on that. Let's just copy and then paste again. Come back, go to your title. Like I said, you don't even need to stress yourself. Paste, save it. So now we need tags, and then we need our thumbnail. So give me good this time around we're going to use keywords. Give me good keywords for this script. 15, right? Okay, let's just copy, select everything, right? Copy, then go to where you have tags. See where we have tags here. Go there, see add tags, just paste it there. Can you see? And then you go back and ensure that you save. Now it remains our thumbnail. So suggest a good thumbnail for this. So it says, for a highly engaging and clickable YouTube thumbnail, consider the following design: a dark blurred screenshot of a social media content section with some hate comments highlighted in red, e.g. you are ugly, this video is trash. Then it says main image, a shocked or sad looking person. Okay, bold text, stop the hate. Another option, one comment can destroy a life. Another one is think before you type. So I think I'll go with stop the hate. Okay, so now this was what I did. I will show you what I did for my thumbnail. This thumbnail will grab attention, evoke emotion, make viewers curious to click on your video. So let me show you myself. So this is a sad looking self. Okay, so let me go over to CapCut and just do some editing using that thumbnail idea. Okay, and I'll come back. So this is it. I already used this thumbnail. So instead of going to screenshot a part from social media, I just did this. So I'm just going to go ahead to YouTube Studio and doing that. So you just go over to this place, tap on visibility, come here to public, and then tap on save. So that's basically how to do it. Do not forget, I take YouTube one-on-one coaching sessions and video editing one-on-one coaching sessions. So if you're interested in that, you want to go ahead to my description box, click that beautiful link that leads to my seller store and book for any of the packages. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.